everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to recover a disabled Facebook ad account. Currently, many advertising accounts are being disabled due to some recent Facebook updates. This causes delays in your business operations, and not only that, your highly effective advertising campaigns cannot continue. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, a utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your FB Ads account ID in the first box. Next, enter your FB ID or link in the second box. In step 3, enter your business portfolio ID. If the account does not belong to BM, enter Ad account belongs to individual. Note, if the account belongs to BM, you must be an administrator of BM. In step 4, paste the text I have prepared for you. Note that you should edit it to your own information. Finally, please attach screenshots of the items, such as the tutorial video. Click Send. Now, wait about 2 to 3 hours, then return to your ad account and you should see your account has been restored. Note, if it still doesn't work, please try again after 1 hour. This process should be successful. During this time, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. As you can see, my Facebook advertising account has been successfully restored. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to recover a disabled Facebook ad account ends here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we will help answer them.